All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's another sample about the triangle inequality theorem. I know I did one of the examples already about this, but just to show you another one, the question is being posed. It's saying, can this triangle exist? Can a triangle exist with the following sides, 8, 13, and 5? Well, let's see. To do the triangle inequality theorem, what you got to do is you take the two smaller sides of the triangle and add them up. So now when I take 8 and 5, I add them up, I get 13. This sum that you have has to be greater than, this has to be greater than the third number that's in the problem, the larger number that's in the problem. And that number there is a 13. So now, because this statement right here is not true, 13 is not greater than 13, the answer to this question is a no. Okay, this triangle cannot exist. Remember, with the triangle inequality theorem, the two smaller sides have to add up to be a value larger than that third side. I hope you found this both helpful and informative.